In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage budgets and billings in Wrike. Managing budgets and billing accurately is a critical aspect of any project, as it helps ensure that resources are allocated properly and projects stay on track financially. Let's dive into how you can efficiently manage this in Wrike, a powerful project management tool that can simplify the complexity associated with budget and billing management. First, open your Wrike workspace. This is your central hub where all the project management magic happens. Once you're in your workspace, you'll want to locate and click on your profile. You can usually find this in the upper right corner. This is your access point to adjust any settings you may need to tweak for managing budgets and billings efficiently. Next, from your profile, navigate to the Settings option. The Settings area is where you control various parameters of your Wrike account, including how you handle financial elements such as budgets and billings. If you manage multiple projects, having these elements correctly set up will ensure that you have a smooth workflow and save you time from potential financial mishaps. Under the Account Management section, it's crucial to ensure that various features that assist with managing budgets are switched on. Spend a moment here to explore what options are available, particularly those relevant to financial management, so that you can tailor your workspace to optimize your budgeting needs. One important feature to turn on is time tracking. Wrike's time tracking functionality allows you to closely monitor the time spent on each project or task. This can be instrumental in managing budgets effectively, as it provides a precise measure of labor costs, a key component of your budget. Ensure this feature is activated so you can accurately track this aspect. Next, head over to the Job Roles section. This is where you can define specific roles within your organization and allocate the appropriate billing rates. For example, if you have team members in different roles, say designers, developers, or project managers, you can input their respective billing rates to ensure accurate and efficient budget management. To create a new role within your organization, simply click on the Create Job Role button. This allows you to list new positions along with their respective billing rates, further enhancing your ability to manage financial resources across various projects. Thoughtfully set this up to reflect the structure of your team and the financial agreements you have in place. And there you have it. These steps will set you on the right path to effectively managing budgets and billings in Wrike. Not only will you be able to track financial metrics easily, but you'll also be empowered to make informed decisions that keep your projects financially sound. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions. Happy budgeting!